now now because first you need to purchase this domain. Okay, this is the domain. If you want to change this, first you need to go to your online store. Okay, go down and here you will see a domain. Click on this and then you can add any type of domain. See here dovivending.myshopify.com is used. So if you want to change this and add your new domain like dovivendingservices.com, I want to remove my Shopify, so you need to add this here by new domain. Okay, here you want to enter the name you want to purchase like Dovi vending services.com. See, this domain is occurred and you can purchase this. Okay, when you purchase this domain is become live. Okay, see, you can type any name and purchase this from here. Now I show you here you can create your page. Here you can create any type of pages. Okay, first I will go to disable this password. Enable password. Now anyone can view your store. Okay, but if you want to add more product using drop shipping or mainly, go to product. Okay, and now here you can add your product like suppose add new. Sorry, my internet was a bit slow. Here you can add any product title, product description, okay. Here you can add your media like any photo you want to add. Suppose this one. If you want to add more, you can add more. Okay, go down. Here you can add the regular price $20. Here you can add compare price $10. See, cost per item 10. Okay, inventory SKU or anything you can type. Okay, you almost always use capital letter, it's important. Continue selling when out of stock. Okay, we want to enable this available quantity like suppose this physical product, a current your chest, weight 1 kg. Now if you want to add variant, you can add here variant. Okay, like size XL, double XL. Okay, save. Here you can also add the price. Here you can also add quantity. Okay, here you can add your product type, car. Okay, vendor collection, you can create any collection or add any collection. Tab car, save. Okay, now you can go and view your product. Product, see, you can view this. Okay, now you can see your size, variation, anything. Now it's working fine. Also you can create collection. Here you can add collection. Here you can see on the home page, you can see everything about your account. Here you can see the order page. Okay, here you can see all your active and completed order. Yet we have don't any order. Okay, here you can use marketing tool. Okay, but first you need to connect your Facebook and further things. You can also navigation. Here you can change menu. In the main menu you can add anything if you want to add anything product. Okay, add for this one. Remove, if you want to remove this. Save. So I have give you a short note about everything, so I hope you understand. But main thing, to get domain, first you need to purchase the domain, then your store become active and anyone can purchase this from this. Thank you. Bye bye.